Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Let me show you the best mod for under $25 that you can do for your E90 BMW. So I bought this for under $25. It's a projector fog light upgrade with a yellow housing. So this will be an upgrade over my M Sport fog lights that are just standard halogen without a projector. So that's what I have in place right now. We're gonna change those out. So there's the stock ones, as you can see, just your standard halogen. So you could probably get away without removing your bumper, but for the sake of demonstration and for this video, I will remove the front bumper. So let's get going on that now. You guys are following along. It's a lot easier, in my opinion, to pull this shield back with the wheel removed than trying to turn the wheel and shove your ratchet in there. You'll save a lot of time. So I'm going to repeat the same on the other side, and then I'll come when I'm removing the top bolts. You'll probably have some bolts along the bottom of the bumper to remove as well, which tie into your factory splash shield. Here's the new one. I like these vents a little bit better. That would pretty much be it. I would just be putting the bumper back on. Those pigtails will plug straight into this little adapter on there. But I noticed I just installed these headlights with the blacked out innards, and my angel eye rings are only coming on halfway sometimes. So I'm gonna tackle that. I might as well just include it as bonus footage here for you guys that are interested. And then we'll put the bumper back on and take a look at the final result. So basically there's two feeds here. One of them burns out, and if you want to buy more time out of these things, you can bridge that solder joint there. I'm going to try that and we'll test it and see what happens. I use 2 metal pins to resolder these joints and reflow them really well. So hopefully that will hold up. We'll let that run for a bit and see if one side shorts out. For anyone wondering, I recently resealed this headlight. I did not cut this, it was already modified, therefore I'm just using the original putty that I just did a few days ago to smear into place and get a seal again, because I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on this. It's not my daily driver, but it'll give you an idea that these aren't super hard to work on once you've cut the lens away. And I'll put a link in the description for another video I made where I talk more about this. I'm going to do a quick test on the headlight. So there it is, all fixed up. The outer ring is equally bright all around. As you can see, the outer ring is half lit. One side barely has a connection. That's why I'm doing this repair. All right, we're all put back together. There's a look at the fog light. Here's the other side. Looks pretty good. Decent looking cutoff right there. That looks really good. Quite the improvement. There's that cut off again. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's one of the best mods you can do for under $25 on an E90 in my opinion. I'll pull the car out now, we can see how it looks outside. All right guys, that'll conclude this video. I just parked the car outside. One thing I noticed was they look really nice and they have a nice cutoff. They don't necessarily light up the road any better than the stock halogens from what I can tell. It's more of an aesthetic thing, so keep that in mind if you guys are interested. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to purchase a set. If this is the first video you're catching of mine, consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching. Wow.